In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a website table into Google Sheets. First, open your browser and go to Google. This gives us a quick jumping off point to all the Google tools we need. Once the Google homepage loads, look toward the top right for the grid icon, often called Google Apps. Click that grid to open the menu of Google Services. From the Apps menu, choose Sheets. That takes you straight into Google Sheets. Here, you can either start with a blank spreadsheet or open an existing one if you already have a file where you want the table to appear. A blank sheet is great for keeping things tidy while you test the import. Next, switch to the website that contains the table you want to bring into Sheets. Wikipedia is a reliable example because its tables are well structured, but you can use any publicly accessible page with an HTML table. Navigate to the exact page, then copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Make sure the content is publicly viewable. Sheets can't pull data from pages that require a login. Back in your spreadsheet, click an empty cell where you want the imported table to begin. Now we'll use the importTML function. Type an equals sign, then the word importTML, open parenthesis, double quote, paste the page link you copied, double quote, comma, double quote, the word table, double quote, comma, then the table number, close parenthesis, and press enter. In plain language, it looks like equals import if TML, open parenthesis, page URL, table, table index, close parenthesis. The table index is the position of the table on that page starting at 1. If you're not sure which table number you need, try 1 first, and if that's not the right one, change the number to 2 or 3 until the data you expect appears. Give it a moment to load. If you see a loading message or a temporary error, wait a few seconds and it usually resolves. If nothing appears, double check that the URL is correct, that the page is public, and that you've spelled table correctly in quotes. Also verify that the table number isn't in quotes. It should be a plain number. Once the data arrives, you can resize columns, apply filters, or build charts just like any other sheet data. The great part is that import.tml will periodically refresh, so if the source table changes, your spreadsheet can reflect those updates automatically. That's all there is to it. Quick, accurate, and repeatable.